Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and then tap on the settings icon or settings option to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the battery manager option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you will see the battery saver option. And as you can see, the status is off. And if you want to turn on the battery saver, the power saving mode, tap on the battery saver, then tap on the check mark on the bottom of the screen. You need to scroll down. And as you can see, the battery saver is enabled, and the screen got dimmer because of it, because it dims the screen brightness to save the battery. Okay. And of course you can then press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face if you want to. But if you want to disable the battery saver, you need to basically open the settings, tap on system, then tap on battery manager, and then tap on the battery saver option right here to switch it off, and the status will go to off, and the screen will go back to normal. And then of course you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. You can also turn on and off the battery saver a bit quicker way to do it. Press and hold the action button to open the controls menu. In the controls menu, look for the battery saver icon. If you see it, you can tap on it, but as you can see, by default it's not here, so we need to scroll down, tap on edit, scroll down, tap on the plus button, find the battery saver, tap on it to add it, then go back by pressing the back button, and it will appear on the controls menu. And then you can tap on the battery saver icon, then tap on the check mark to enable it, and to disable it you can open the controls menu and tap on the icon again to disable it. And then you can go back to watch face if you want to by pressing the back button. And that's how you enable and how you disable the battery saver or power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.